welcome back to East Coast UK. Today you join me at a dark Lowestoft Seafront, and what we're going to do, we're going to put the drone up and go up the seafront, or down the seafront, whatever we'd like to say. Anyway, we're going to head south, then we're going to head north in this direction here, down to the South Pier, and hopefully we might be able to catch the strawberry moon. Main time for it is tomorrow night, I believe, but as it was nice and clear tonight, I thought, well, I'll chance my arm and come out tonight and film it then. So I haven't actually looked at the weather tomorrow, but anyway, I've got other things on, so I thought, well, chance my arm, take it tonight. So there we are. Right, catch you up at the end. welcome back. Filming all done, and as you saw, we went south, then we went north, and then we got some of the moon. Looks rather normal. Apparently it's a strawberry moon, but yeah, anyway, we got some of that as well, some additional footage of that. I don't know how good it's going to come out on the drone, but we will see. But that's it for today, or tonight should I say. Hopefully next time we're in the daylight again, but just thought, why not do a nighttime one for you? Just makes a change, doesn't it? Right, bye bye for now.